Why did God create us? Have you ever asked yourself, what on earth am I here for? What is the purpose of my life? You may have such unanswered questions about life. But Yahweh God has the answers to the purpose of your life. Although you might think you were born as a direct result of your karma. God had a unique plan for you. He decided when and where you would be born so that you would seek God and live a meaningful life. In order to understand God's purpose for you, we must look at God's original plan for His creation. In the Bible, God said, "Let us make people in our likeness." Then the Lord God took the dust from the ground and made humans. He breathed His life into them, which gave people their spirit and soul. In this way, people were created not only with physical needs, but with spiritual desires to relate with their Creator. It is also our spirit and soul that longs for meaning and significance. God also created them relational beings, male and female, and bonded them together in marriage. God wanted them to have a family and fill the earth. God is a loving father who wanted children like himself, and that is to have the same good character as him. And he wanted that good character to be passed on to the next generations and fill the earth with his goodness. Our purpose in life was to be found in a relationship with God. It was never meant to be independent of God. Our very life and breath is dependent on God, and we can always trust His goodness toward us. And it is our response to God's goodness that motivates us to love and honor God above all. This is our purpose. It is not about us, but centered upon our Creator God.